the only way we can be complete citizens is by confronting our fears, our social fears, or political fears. I'm Tania Bruguera. My piece, Untitled, Havana 2000, was first done in Cuba in a place that was a prison for political prisoners. It was done in the year 2000, which is a very significant year for several reasons. One of them is that it was the year marked by the government to fulfill all the social, political, and economic promises, which never arrived. Another of the reasons is that that year, there was a change in the administration in the United States, and a lot of people in the arts came to Havana Biennial. We call this, among us, the American invasion in the arts. I think that helped shape the piece because I had to introduce the outsider, in this case, American view of what happened in my country. It is intended to walk you through the experience of being Cuban at that specific moment in time. As an artist, I relate to political issues through the emotional process you go through because of those political issues. And you learn through all your feeling, all your senses. So I think the experience is very, very important. And what you learn with your body, you don't forget. I'm inviting you 18 years later to experience the piece. It's great to present now because it gives us this idea that we have to stop looking and start thinking.